Replace all variables with the given values and simplify. 4 times x will replace x with 1 and 25 hundredths, and we'll replace y with negative 2 and 8 tenths. Let's do this in steps. Let's start with 1 and 25 hundredths times 4. Remember that with multiplication, the order doesn't matter, so we can put the 4 on the bottom. 4 times 5 is 20. Carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Then we count the number of decimal places in the factors. There are 2 decimal places in the factors, which means we need 2 decimal places in the product. So our product right now is 5. We now have to multiply 5 by negative 2 and 8 tenths. Let's do that off to the side. 2 and 8 tenths times 5. We'll deal with the negative sign at the end. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 2 is 10. Add the 4, we get 14. There is 1 decimal place in the factor. We need 1 decimal place in the product, which means our answer is 14, but keep in mind negative 2 and 8 tenths was there, so we need to make this negative 14. In the next example, we have x, which is negative 83 hundredths, times y, which is negative 1 and 4 tenths. Let's multiply these. Remember to align flush on the right when multiplying. We'll deal with the negatives later. Negative times a negative is just going to be a positive product. 4 times 3 is 12. Carry the 1. 4 times 8 is 32. Plus 1 is 33. 1 times 3, 1 times 8. And then we add. We get 2, 6, and 11. Count the number of decimal places in the factors. We have 1, 2, 3 total decimal places in the factors, which means we need 3 decimal places in the product. That is 1 and 162 thousandths. And again, negative times a negative is a positive. So that final result is 1 and 162 thousandths.